Everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and we have something really exciting to share with you guys today. We have hit 500 subscribers. Actually, as of this morning, we're up to 515, and we are so excited. As you see, I have my smudged t-shirt on, and if it wasn't for Sherry and Daryl at Two Family Homestead, we wouldn't have be where we're at right now. If you're not in Two Families Tuesdays and Thursdays, well, Monday too, but you're missing out because I've learned so much from Sherry and Daryl and all their support and all the knowledge and just training that I've got is just been phenomenal. So be there Tuesdays and Thursdays. But they're just a wealth of knowledge. But I got the t-shirt, so I just wanted to give them a shout out and thank them for all their support. But anyway, what I wanted to tell you about this Wednesday night, we are having a 500 subscriber giveaway, and it is going to be huge. Did I really say that? I did. So this is what you got to do. First of all, to get into the big giveaways, you've got to be on our live at 6:30. That's Central Standard Time. We're in Texas. So you got to be in the live to win on the bigs. Now we're going to be giving away some seeds. You don't necessarily have to be there to get the seed giveaways, but you do have to comment on this video to get on those drawings. But to get into the big drawings, we're going to be giving away some t-shirts, coffee mug, and some Amazon gift cards. To get into that, you have to be present to win. So come to the live. Hope to see you guys there.
Bye.